you bring the camera? Check out our extended Filipino family, guys. Everybody say hello. Hello. Everybody's so happy to be out. We saw dolphins this morning. We didn't even know that dolphins are in this area. So awesome. Hey, Angela Baker. Hey, Renee Lamar. Hey, Victoria Allen. Hey, Shara. Good to see you guys. And we're going over to that island right over there. Gonna hang out for the day. Taking our friends and their family out on a day trip to an island that some of them have never been to. Hey Sheila, hey Sandra, hey Katina, hey Tatiana, hey Linda, it's loud. Sorry about that engine. We out here. Hey Sheila. And show them how we live over that way. Yeah. Boat day. We have plenty of food. Beautiful view, right? The mountains and the water. Hey everybody. Baby. What's up, Kimberly from the 313, just like me? Yes, yes. We're on the way. So many turtles and coral. I did bring the underwater camera. Oh, good. Good. I got the tape pictures. We out here. We're on the way to an island called Apple Island. We're taking our friends and some of their family members. 19 of us total. We're going over there. Hey Angela. Good to see you. Hey Gloria. We'll be wearing life jackets, so don't worry. Because the water is very deep. Beautiful views of the Philippines. On Negros Oriental, the island that we live on right now. And everybody was on time this morning. Oh yeah, everyone was on time. Couldn't believe it because they got something called Filipino time. And I understood the time that the boat was putting off on 8:30 something. Right, they was here. Yeah. So every 2 people will have a guide today, and they have a lifeline that you can hold on to, and the other guide will pull you with power, but you just kind of look down and watch. Don't sit down there, don't even know. They all have to We live right over there. That's where we live. Where you see the red rooftops. Yeah. That's where we live for now. Oh no, it's this one. Is it this? Yeah, is it? Oh, it's that one. Okay, I'm gonna get it right. Okay, so there we. Okay, this is where we live. Right there, where the red roofs are. Hey, Niagara. Hey, Aaron. Hey, Gloria. Hey, Mari. Hey, Renee.
You want to show them the potluck? You know, it's not open. Everybody go up.
We have plenty of food.
Eat bread.
Hey, Aaron. We out here. Still have Wi-Fi for the moment. Only do it.
That's okay. It's overcast today, but unless you imagine it's not burning hot.
Right. But the sun is out.
Yeah. And all the dolphins this morning, just everything was done. Close to 5:30 it was raining. And my wife was like,
It's gonna pray this rain away.
It's
Sure
not.
enough. It's here enough. The bow line is too rough.
Oh yes, the injury is completely healed. So like before we got back. It's been we just happy to be able to take our friends and their families out to enjoy something. It's right here on near the island that they live on. And hopefully the island. A lot of
I understand it's loud. We didn't bring the mic. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to let you guys know we're going to have a good day with our friends and their family. Starting the new year off right, having fun. Yep, we're getting close. We're getting close. Yes, very deep. Very deep. Hey, Patricia Ward. Thank you, Miss Pamela. We're on the way to Apple Island to swim to see all the beautiful coral and fish and sea turtles. All right. Well, we will see you soon. What's up, Tony? Tony from the 313, just like me. And well, we're gonna swim in the water. That's the highlight of the island. It's a small island, but the water is just the thing that we really enjoy. You looking at the water, but you will be scared. Well, that's what the life jackets are for. You just don't float. God. What up, though? We got a brother on here. Make sure you follow if you're not following. And thank you, everyone, for following. We appreciate your love and support. So would you guys get in this water with a life jacket on? How many of you would? So you can see the beautiful underwater life. Once we release the reel and they actually see what's under here, they'll understand. How many of you guys would get in this water? Good. Let me know. That's when you're there. Yes, no, maybe. So therapeutic. You would, Renee? Okay, that's what's tablet. How many? And when I'm underwater, looking underwater and looking at all the God's creations, I'm just in awe. It's just
and they're in every direction, no matter how far you take it. If you've been here once before, the fish are beautiful, the colors are magnificent, and the turtles, I mean, it's just crazy underneath here, so, yeah.
I mean, you got a life jacket on, you ain't going nowhere, and you have a tour guide with a life ring pulling you around. Just had his snorkel mask on so you can see. Alright, we're gonna get off here. We hope you guys enjoy your day. Yes, it took her kids one time to Mexico, they swam, took underwater, picked the second largest berry reef. I have beautiful pictures. That's right. So you didn't get no water, huh, Gil? Alright, well we losing our internet. Hey, Nadine. Thank you. You said on the land you put your feet in the water. Y'all be missing out. Y'all be missing out. Alright, well we're gonna get off in here. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Take care of yourself, take your supplements, and remember health is wealth.